Berkshire Hathaway increases Apple, Activision, Blizzard and oil stakes. Berkshire Hathaway increased its stakes in Apple by 0.44% or 3.9 million shares to 894,802,390 in the second quarter, according to filing on Monday. The company also bought 6.35% more of Activision Blizzard shares, bringing the total to 68,401,150 stakes. Berkshire stakes in Occidental Petroleum jumped 16.26% to 158,549,729, and that in Chevron by 1.42% to 161,440,149. Meanwhile, it reduced the number of shares of US bankrupt by 5.23% to 190,805,153. Kroger Co. by 9.57% to 52,433 and 295 shares, and General Motors by 14.78% to 52,877,395 shares. What do you think?